The 2016 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, keyless entry, stability control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, backup camera, power sunroof, Bluetooth. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.